Welcome to Cricknuts, cricket recaps and insights.
On this balmy New Jersey evening, the under-15 wicket Warriors took center stage in a clash of potential and prowess, with the ICUSA Black Mambas pitted against the formidable Crickmax Destroyers.
Indeed, Isha, we witnessed a young brigade lock horns, where the Destroyers, armed with their cricketing acumen, sought to dismantle the serpentine defense of the Black Mambas.
The stands resonated with cheers as a tale of dominance unfolded. The Mambas, electing to bat, faced a storm, with the Destroyers steering the narrative towards an inevitable climax.
Absolutely, Isha. The defining moments of the match swung like a pendulum, with the Destroyers bowlers orchestrating a symphony of wickets that would decide the match fate.
The Black Mambas' innings began with whispers of potential. Unfortunately, their hissing attack was swiftly muted by Destroyers bowlers, whose strategic mastery turned whispers into silence.
A clear testament to meticulous planning, Isha. Anirudh Satish and Neil Patel, the chief architects, dismantled the Mambas' fort, brick by brick, leaving their innings in ruins.
Then came the Destroyers' response, a fearless crescendo. Aditya Kappa's bat sang, dispatching the ball with grace and fury, crafting an innings of triumph with Shan Patel in support.
Isha, Aditya's willow was a wand today, conjuring runs out of thin air. The Mambas bowlers, lost in his spell, could but watch the maelstrom unfold before them.
Aditya Kappa's heroics with the bat, Anirudh Satish's magic with the ball, and Neil Patel's tight spell were the pillars upon which this victory was built.
Each of these young warriors did not just play, they carved their names into the narrative. Kappa's blade and Satish's guile transformed potential into resounding success.
With a 10-wicket triumph, the Destroyers stamped their authority, riding on a wave crafted by meticulous bowling and an unstoppable opening stand.
Such a thumping victory, Isha. It's a result that echoes around the grounds, sending a sturdy message from the Destroyers to all who bear witness. This match will be etched in history, a symphony of clinical execution, with the Destroyers writing a crescendo that would resonate through future battles in the under-15 saga.
Indeed, a match that was not just about victory, but a testament to emerging talent. The Destroyers' display of skill sets the stage for enthralling encounters that await us.